To beautify our eyes, we do so many things, but not all types of eye makeup are similarly perfect for us. Actually, it depends on so many things like our eye type, our target, and some other things. Based on these things, we should decide which type of eye makeup is best for us. Today I'm going to show you some mentionable differences between these two which will help you to choose the right one among these two for you. Fox eye and cat eye makeup. Fox eye makeup means emphasizing one's inner eye corner with eyeshadow and eyeliner, though you have to do something on the outer corner too. Usually, people who are so crazy have slightly slanted eyes and use fox eye makeup. A good many people use this eye makeup, and if you can do it perfectly, it will flourish your eye beauty. Cat eye makeup is not like fox eye makeup. As in cat eye makeup, makeup artists mainly depend on eyeliner. Cat eye makeup doesn't mean only one thing, rather, there are classic cat eye trends and reverse cat eye trends. The classic cat eye trend focuses on flicks on one's upper eyelid. There are so many differences between fox eye makeup and cat eye makeup. If you understand all these issues deeply, then you'll be able to ensure the look you desire by applying the right makeup. Now I am going to share some important differences between fox eye makeup and cat eye makeup. In applying fox eye makeup, you have to emphasize your eye's inner corner with makeup. Products like eyeshadow or eyeliner. Inner corner, you'll have to do something important, as the outer corner is less important for ensuring a fox eye look. In this style, you must create a straight wing on your eye's end and blur it to vanish harsh lines. On the other hand, in doing cat eye makeup, you need to concentrate on your eye's outer portion, and it needs to create a round effect on both your eyes to ensure the cat eye looks. So, resembling with the cat's eye is the main feature of this eye makeup, and that's why we call it cat eye makeup. Usually, fox eye makeup is a popular trend now because people like to ensure a brighter look through their eyes, which is why they resort to fox eye makeup. Another reason behind the popularity of fox eye makeup is that it is very simple and requires only a few minutes, though you need to use many products here. On the contrary, people who like old-fashioned love a candid look, and that's why they apply cat eye makeup. Cat eye makeup has been popular for centuries because people wanted to flourish their candid look then. But some people still want it, which is why they use cat eye makeup. Flirtatious allure is one of the essential aspects of cat eye makeup. To ensure a fox eye look, you must have mascara, concealer, powder, etc. And besides these, you have to use eyeshadow or eyeliner, which should be black or brown. On the other side, you need to use liquid eyeliner or pencil to do cat eye makeup. Using black liquid eyeliner will be great for you to apply the cat eye makeup perfectly. However, for precisely applying the eyeliner, you need to use an ultra-thin eyeliner pen because it is helpful to provide a perfect shape. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.